How you doing? Anthony Goncalves. Today we're going to show you how to roast and blister spicy peanuts. Hey, how to blister and roast peanuts. So in the thought process of that, I had to put my mark on it. So we take some peanuts, put them down on a sheet pan, half sheet pan. Then some brown sugar. I used dark brown sugar, light brown sugar, and I did equal parts. I'm going to add that right on top and build. You're building on top of the peanuts. Peanuts down, brown sugar on top. My special ingredient that I'm adding to it is Portuguese sausage. It's called linguiça. And I'm adding that on top of the peanuts. We're going to take these peanuts and we're going to go into the oven at about 250 degrees. And we're going to cook this for about 3 to 4 hours. I already have one in the oven. I'll be pulling it out as I'm putting this one in. Look at that. This is a great dish for wintertime, summertime, anytime. And you could basically add anything you want to it. I went with the brown sugar and the linguiça. Linguiça, pimenton, so smoked paprika, garlic, onions, pork. It just made a lot of sense to me. You could, you're growing up, what you like, what you think when you think of peanuts, what you'd like to see put together with peanuts. It's all yours. The process is really easy. Thanks for joining me, Chef Anthony Goncalves. It was fun to show you how to blister and roast peanuts and do it Portuguese style.